What is going on, everybody? All right, so I am Jackie Rico, and I'm the owner of Jackie Rico Fitness. And what I'm going to be doing for you today is literally walking you through the setup for the Jackie Rico Fitness mobile app for all of my 9-day shred challengers. So, first of all, super honored to be pairing with Sarah Goggin Young and her whole team with Power to Believe. So, really what JE Fitness is going to be doing for everybody over the period of the 9-day shred challenge is providing you guys with access to workouts that are going to correlate with the 9-day shred challenge. So super excited for this. So basically what I'm going to be doing is hooking you up with free access to my mobile app. You're going to be able to download this app on your phone and it's going to be super easy. But to make it even more easy, I'm literally going to walk you through everything. So what I'm going to do, try to keep this short and sweet, is I'm going to screen share with you and walk you through what your app setup is going to look like and hopefully answer any questions that you might have. I will be here if you need me whatsoever, but I'm going to walk you through this. All right, so hang in there with me. I'm going to share my screen with you, get you guys all set up here. All right, perfect. So everybody, you guys should be able to see my screen right now. All right, so again, 9-day shred challengers, welcome to the party. Super excited for this, pumped to be spending the next 9 days with you guys and get you rocking and rolling. So you should all have access to the link that will give you access to the mobile training app. All right, if you go to either your iPhone or your Google Play Store, Jackie Rico Fitness is the name of the app. So basically today we're going to go through downloading the app, your fitness program, the accountability that we're offering, and your nutrition for over the next 9 days. All right, so you have your cell phone with you. I would suggest, if you're going to be downloading this and setting everything up, just start it straight from your phone. That's going to keep things super simple. All right, so either via the Facebook group or via email, you should have received a link from me. All right, that link is basically going to bring you to a purchase page. Okay, so that purchase page is actually going to look just like this page right here. Okay, you're going to put your email in there and your name. You're also going to put your credit card information in there. Nothing is going to be charged to your card whatsoever. If anything, it's 50 cents, but it's not. It is for free. All right, your discount code right here is going to be SHRED 2020. Once you apply that discount code, you're going to be 100% free here for the next 9 days. All right. So again, you'll use that SHRED 2020 code. It's going to give you free access. All right. So as soon as you're in there, I'm going to get notified that you have downloaded my app. You are ready to go. All right. It's going to have you kind of walk you through a consultation form, goals that you're looking to reach, things like that. And you're going to just sign a little waiver on there as well. So once you're in your app, I'm going to walk you through what that is going to look like. So if you're on your app and you're on that home page here, all right, your first tab at the bottom of your toolbar here is going to be your dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially going to be your home page. All right. So if you take any progress photos, if you update your weight, if you're counting your steps, all that good stuff, that is all going to be in the dashboard as your home page. All right. Second tab over here is going to be your program folder. All right. This is important. If you were to click on that program folder, it's going to give you a list of all of the workouts that you're going to do over the next 9 days. All right. So it'll give you an overview of that. Your middle tab is going to be your calendar tab. That is probably your most important tab. That's going to lay out exactly what your week is going to look like in regards to your workouts. All right. So by clicking on there, it's going to show you Monday through Sunday. All right. Exactly what your game plan for the day is. All right. So if you're doing strength work, your workout will be in there. If your goal of the day is just to get some walking and stretching in, it will be there as well. All right. Your fourth tab over is your messenger tab. Your messenger tab is going to work exactly like you would text message your friends or your family. All right. But you're going to be able to message your coach and I'm going to be able to message you. I always like to remind people, all right, turn your notifications on. All right. Allow push notifications and notifications to be sent from the Jackie Rico Fitness mobile app. All right, this way it will truly work as a text message, okay? Because guess what? I'm going to be definitely checking on you over the next 9 days and keeping an eye on you. All right. And we're going to go into this more detail later. But if you need to reach out to me personally with any questions, you're going to be able to shoot me a message via this messenger tab. All right. Your last tab over, all right, is kind of cool and important because these are all of the list of devices that my mobile app actually connects to and that we can get data from. All right. So if you have a good old Apple Watch, all right, you can actually sync your Apple Watch to my app. I'm able to see your steps and your data. All right. Same as if you had a Fitbit. Withings is a health and scale. So if you have a Withings brand scale, that will directly connect. And then the last one also, which we're going to touch on later, is going to be MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal is probably the top rated tool in regards to tracking your nutrition and logging your food that you're eating. All right. So if you download MyFitnessPal and log your food, I'm actually going to be able to see everything on my end and be able to help you out. All right. We will touch on that more later. All right. So 9-day shred program, what is that going to look like in regards to fitness? So basically what we have done is created a game plan, all right, for your 9 days with us. So your 9 days of workout are going to correlate directly, okay, with the 9-day shred challenge. So what I mean by that is, so we're going to have shake and higher calorie intake days where we're really focusing on that higher protein and higher veggie. So those days are going to be dedicated to your more strength and higher intensity workouts. On your cleanse days of the week, all right, where you're eating a little bit less of calorie intake, all right, cleansing the body and detoxing, those days are going to be simply walking, lighter cardio, stretching, and mobility work. All right. So a little bit lower intensity since we're not burning as many calories during those days. All right. So this is what your layout is going to look like in regards to your workout program. All right. So again, the way you're going to get to that is you're going to go to the calendar. All right. And then if you're getting started and it's Monday, you're just going to scroll. You're going to look for Monday on there and it's going to show you exactly what workout you're doing. So for example, if you were doing the blood flow interval workout, all right, right where that red arrow is, you're going to click on that kettlebell. All right. That kettlebell is going to bring you right to the layout of your workout. We have 2 types of workouts that we would walk you through. All right. So option 1 is going to be a time-based interval workout. So the app is going to time everything for you. So you don't need an additional timer or anything like that. So for example, I'm going to tell you, all right, for 45 seconds, you're going to give me as many squats as possible. All right. The app will time you. All right. So either timed. Your second option of workout, all right, is going to be reps and sets based. So I'm going to say, all right, you're going to give me 12 squats and we're going to do that for 3 rounds. Regardless of the workout, just make sure you hit that start button. That's going to ensure that your timer starts and that the app, AKA me, knows that you started your workout. All right. If you have any questions of what the exercise that you should be doing or how to correctly do it with safe form, all right, you can watch a video of every single exercise that we're going to prescribe you. So you can click on that exercise, you could click on that play button, and it's going to give you a demonstration of what proper and good form looks like to make sure that you're doing the workout the right way. All right, so should be all set there. When you open your workout, all right, you also on those reps and sets days are going to see those little blank white boxes. All right, so you can see those with the red arrow right there. What those are is that is if you would like to input data in there for me to see and for yourself. Okay, so for example, if I'm giving you, you're going to do 12 squats and you might have dumbbells at home, you can actually add in that you use 10-pound dumbbells or whatever weight you were using. All right. Again, if I told you, okay, you have 45 seconds to give me as many squats as possible, you could also put in how many reps you completed during that time. So again, that's just going to track progression over time and to help me see what you're actually doing over there. All right. At the end of the workout, please, please, please hit that save button. I always tell people if you don't hit that save button, it's going to show up that you didn't complete the workout. And then I'm going to have to come yell at you. Just kidding. I won't come yell at you, but I will come check in on you and just see what's going on if you need help with anything. So click that save button. That's going to let me know and your other coaches know that you finished your workout, and we can let you know that you did a good job and you crushed it. All right. Last thing regarding your workouts, after every single workout, we're going to ask you to rate your workout on a scale of 1 to 10. The reason why we do this, 1 being super easy and 10 being super hard, we want to know how hard these workouts or how easy these workouts are for you. All right, so if you're rating everything as 1 or a 2 super easy, that means we get to pick up the notch, make some changes to your program. If you're saying, hey, Coach Jackie, everything is a 10, all right, I'm going to make those workouts a little bit easier so that I don't kill you over the course of the 9 days. All right, we want to find a nice happy medium with those workouts, making sure that you're getting your good workout in, but allowing you to have recovery time as well. All right, so that is basically what you need to know in regards to the workouts. All right, hang in there with me. Got a little bit more to go through. All right. My favorite part of our programming that we offer is accountability and coaching. So really what that means is you're going to get me at your fingertips, over the course of the 9 days. So I'm super excited to be working with you. I'm also going to throw you into a group in regards to my app. So we're going to have our own 9-day shred group. So you're going to see other people in there. You guys can root each other on. You're going to be seeing when everyone's completing their workouts, if they're logging their food, all that stuff's going to go in there. And then of course, you guys know you should already be in the Power to Believe Facebook group. If you are not in the Power to Believe Facebook group, please shoot me a message and we will get you in there, because that's going to be the main coaching and training area in regards to the whole challenge. And then really for accountability as well, you can also take progress photos. I always ensure people, the only people that are going to see those progress photos would be myself and you. So they're really just for, your personal and self-motivation, right? So I'd love for you to do a photo on day 1 and then day 9. Let's see if we can get any body changes in there. All right. And then it's also a good accountability tool. So again, I am Coach Jackie, but I do have 2 other trainers on staff, Coach Linnea and Coach Allen. So you might see them from time to time. They also just might drop you a motivational quote. So feel free. You can always shoot them a message back and let them know how you're doing. So again, throughout the 9 days, it's going to be really cool because you're actually going to have access to me for 9 days. Okay. That access is going to go directly through the app, and it will be through that messaging tab that we talked about earlier. You'll find that at the bottom of the toolbar. Again, please turn your notifications on so that when I reach out to you and send you a message to check on you, that your phone is actually going to, give you a notification and let you know that I'm checking in on you. And then again, if you have any questions throughout the course, feel free to shoot me a message if you're struggling with anything like that. We're here to help you, and this is why you have full access to the training app. So, all right. And then when you're on your homepage, again, you're going to see the My Groups right there. And that's just going to say 9-day shred challenge. All right. That's going to say your 9-day shred group. You can go in there. You can see what everybody else is doing, keep motivating everything. I always say it's a team effort, right? The really cool thing about this 9-day shred challenge is it's going to be such a great community that we're working with. So super excited for that. All right. Again, I'm going to give you a reminder on day 1 and day 9 to take those, to do a weigh-in and also do progress photos if you choose to do so. All right. So highly encouraged. This is how they would show up on your end. If you're not comfortable uploading them to the app, no worries at all. You can just take them on your phone and keep them for yourself. That's totally fine too. So if you'd like to add them to the app, you definitely can do that. All right. So last thing, all right, is going to be nutrition. Now, 99% of this, nutrition coaching with Isagenix and the coaches are going to be through the Power to Believe Facebook group. All right. But we do have some really cool features on the JE Fitness mobile app that I wanted to share with you guys. All right. So if you connect MyFitnessPal to the JE Fitness mobile app, all right, I'm actually going to be able to see everything that you're logging and tracking. All right. So number 1, that is a really cool, experiment to always do if you've never done it before, because it's a really good time to actually learn about your macros and learning what you're actually putting in your body. All right. So the main things that we're going to look at: proteins, carbs, fats. I'm big on veggies, and also taking a look at your sugar intake as well. All right, so right over the next 9 days, we're going to want to keep that sugar count as low as possible. But MyFitnessPal is going to give you exact number of sugar that you are consuming, as long as you are putting your your food log in there. All right. And the other cool thing is we're going to be able to see that. So, right. So this is also an accountability tool. If you know that your coach is looking at everything you're eating every day, right? We're hoping that that's going to make you, make really good decisions on what you're consuming and putting into your body. And really, it just allows us to give you some positive feedback and, kind of make some suggestions of areas that you can work on, areas that we see that you might be lacking in. 9 times out of 10, we see that female clients are not getting enough protein in their body. And so again, it's just going to be a really cool accountability tool. So you'll download the MyFitnessPal app, and that will directly connect to the JE Fitness mobile app. So it is optional. It's just if you want to take advantage of the services of having a coach fully look at your nutrition there. After the 9-day shred challenge, if you're logging your nutrition and you're doing the workouts, that's going to give us a really good idea of next steps for you. So we're going to tackle on this more later, but we always like to kind of see what the clients are going through. What are your personal needs and goals? Everybody's going to be different here, right? But after the 9 days is over, then what is your next game plan, right? Because we can't just go back to bad habits. We have to work on creating a very healthy lifestyle. So basically that is the sum of it. I hope that this hopefully quick video helped you guys out. Again, I will provide the link for you. If you have any issues with downloading the app or getting in for free, please just shoot me an email or a message and I can personally sign you up and make sure that you're ready to go. And again, once you've downloaded that app, you get full access to me for 9 days. And don't forget, I also get full access to you for 9 days. So super excited. Happy to have you guys. Let me know if you have any questions at all. And we will see you soon.